Investment Insider Secrets, Insider Tips for Stock Market Success. Welcome to Income Ideas Insider, where we unveil exclusive tips and strategies for maximizing your earnings potential. Investing in the stock market can be a daunting task, especially for beginners. However, with the right knowledge and strategies, anyone can become a successful investor. In this guide, we will unveil insider secrets and tips that can help you navigate the complexities of the stock market and achieve financial success. From understanding market trends to managing risks, these insider tips will empower you to make informed investment decisions. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. Number 10. Do your homework before investing. Before diving into the stock market, it's crucial to thoroughly research and understand the companies you're considering investing in. This includes analyzing their financial statements, assessing their competitive position in the market, and evaluating their growth potential. By doing your homework, you can make more informed investment decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Number 9. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification stands as a cornerstone principle in the realm of investing. Distributing investments across various asset classes and industries serves as a bulwark against market volatility, mitigating risk and safeguarding capital. This strategic approach minimizes the repercussions of underperforming investments and has the potential to augment overall returns. By refraining from over-reliance on any single asset or sector, investors can fortify their portfolios against adverse market movements, fostering resilience and long-term stability in the face of dynamic market conditions. Number 8. Stay informed about market trends. Keeping abreast of market trends and developments is essential for successful investing. Subscribe to financial news outlets, follow market analysts on social media, and stay informed about macroeconomic factors that could impact the stock market. By staying ahead of the curve, you can identify opportunities and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. Number 7. Have a long-term perspective. Successful investing transcends mere short-term gains, emphasizing the cultivation of wealth over the long haul. Rather than fixating on timing the market or chasing fleeting profits, prioritize investments in robust, fundamentally sound companies poised for sustained growth. Embracing a long-term outlook enables you to weather market vicissitudes and garner steady, enduring returns. By eschewing the allure of quick gains in favor of a patient, strategic approach, you position yourself for enduring prosperity and financial stability in the ever-evolving landscape of the stock market. Number 6. Manage your emotions. Emotions wield considerable influence in investment decisions, often obscuring rational judgment. Fear and greed, in particular, can disrupt your investment strategy. To navigate these emotional pitfalls, mastering emotional management is crucial. Resist the urge to make impulsive decisions driven by short-term market fluctuations. Instead, adhere steadfastly to your investment plan, maintaining discipline irrespective of prevailing market sentiment. By mitigating the impact of emotions on your decision-making process, you can cultivate a more strategic approach to investing, enhancing the likelihood of long-term success. Number 5. Stay disciplined during market volatility. Market volatility is an intrinsic aspect of investing, yet it can induce anxiety among investors. Amidst volatile periods, maintaining discipline is crucial, steering clear of impulsive reactions. Rather than succumbing to panic and divesting your holdings, view volatility as a chance to acquire quality stocks at discounted rates. It's essential to recognize that market downturns are frequently succeeded by phases of resurgence and expansion. By resisting knee-jerk responses and capitalizing on market fluctuations, investors can potentially bolster their portfolios and capitalize on long-term growth opportunities. Number 4. Keep an eye on fees and expenses. High fees and expenses can significantly erode your investment returns over time, making it imperative to keep them at a minimum. When evaluating investment options like mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, scrutinize their expense ratios and associated fees. Opting for low-cost index funds can be advantageous as they typically entail lower fees compared to actively managed funds. By minimizing expenses, you can preserve more of your investment gains and enhance the long-term growth potential of your portfolio. Number 3. Reinvest your dividends. Dividend reinvestment can turbocharge your investment returns over the long term. Instead of pocketing dividends as cash, reinvest them back into the stock market to purchase more shares of the underlying companies. Over time, the power of compounding can significantly boost your investment portfolio and accelerate wealth accumulation. Number 2. Stay patient and persistent. Successful investing requires patience and persistence. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful investment portfolio. Stay committed to your long-term investment goals, even during periods of market turbulence. By remaining patient and persistent, you can overcome temporary setbacks and ultimately achieve financial success. Number 1. Seek professional advice when needed. In the realm of investing, self-education is vital, but there are junctures where professional insight is indispensable. Seeking guidance from a certified financial planner or investment advisor is advisable, particularly for significant financial decisions or navigating complex investment strategies. These professionals can offer personalized recommendations tailored to your unique financial situation and goals. By leveraging their expertise, you can gain clarity and confidence in your investment journey, ultimately enhancing your chances of achieving financial success. In conclusion, mastering the art of investing requires diligence, discipline, and a willingness to learn. By following these insider secrets and tips, you can navigate the stock market with confidence and increase your chances of achieving financial success. Remember to stay informed, stay disciplined, and stay focused on your long-term investment goals. With the right approach, anyone can become a successful investor. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.